SNV-1, the Vultee vibrator, as they call it, the United States Army Air Corps pressed with smoke on. I'm guessing when those left the Cessna aircraft factory in Wichita, Kansas, they probably didn't have smoke systems. As we watch them come down the show line here. Coming right down on the deck out here as he extends down the show line. Liaison aircraft, they're also used as forward air controllers. They come by and give a great big wave. There they are, the team from Aftershock, as they come down the line and also take off there. SNV-1 California Girl.
Lining up with a shot.
The SNV join up with the Bird Dog out there. Interesting tidbit, this aircraft was built September 10th, 1942 in Downey, California, and is one of only 4 SNV-1 aircraft still flying out of 2,500 that were built. The SNV is the same as the Army Air Force BT-13, of which 9,300 were built, and only about 40 of those were left. Bird Dog flying the lead. The SNV doing a nice job, hanging in there, just beautiful formation right down our show line. Nice job, guys. That's a pretty formation, folks. There, nice spot. Big flight by the Bird Dog. Again, that was used in the Korean and as well as the Vietnam era there. The Bird Dog, the orange aircraft, was used for all sorts of different missions there as a forward air, such as the PT-17 Stearman biplane, or the Ryan PT-22, or the Fairchild PT-23 or 19 monoplanes. Those were great training aircraft. They demanded the young student this basic flying skills, and after successfully completing that portion, that regiment, the California Girl. Another interesting tidbit on the SNV-1, it was served at Naval Air Station Pensacola, Florida, and at Naval Air Station Corpus Christi, Texas during World War